biggest jumbo in Blackburn. Now this is, I believe, an Aberdeen Angus with their own seasoning. You've got obviously the batter, or what we call potato scallops, either side of the minced beef.
Grand total of £11.50 for them.
For what? I'm Steve from the Chippy Tour, and I travel around the country in this beast, and we review fish and chip shops incognito, which means no special treatment, no free meals, bigger portions, all that kind of thing. I don't charge for reviews, and I don't review for free food. It's all about promoting and supporting our fish and chip shops nationwide. SwiftOrder are supporting me on this mission to celebrate real, independent Chippies. They're a family-run company helping takeaways offer online ordering without paying commissions. If you'd like to take orders online, or you're fed up with paying high fees, SwiftOrder is an easy, reliable platform. It's simple to use and is backed by a UK support team that is always there ready to help. Right, okay. I should use that as my catchphrase, shouldn't I? Well, this is a samosa. Now, they were giving away these for free in there to anybody. So, can't knock it, can you? And this is said to be the biggest jumbo in Blackburn. Well, it's certainly big, that's for sure. I'm going to cut that in half. Now this is, I believe, an Aberdeen Angus beef, and with their own seasoning. You've got obviously the batter, you've got what they call dab, or what we call potato scallops, or just slices of parboiled potato in there, either side of the minced beef. And a lot of places have their own recipes for the beef, and they are delicious, they really are. I've had a few in Blackburn. Yeah.
Grand total of £11.50 for them.
For what?
For all that.
No way.
£11.50.
You know, that's left a really nice taste. Now this is 4.9 rated Chippy, and it's been going a very long time. They do other meals in there, but it's not a kebab shop. The people are lovely. Sue said it's spotless in there, absolutely spotless. People are happy and talking. Let's have a little look at this. This is the fish and chip. No idea what's going on in here. But look at that. How good does that look? Yeah. I'm going to keep it in the box because I think there's some heat in the box rather than some cold on my plate. That looks fantastic. Them chips do. I'm going to go straight into them. Good chips. We got mushy peas too. A big tub, actually. £11.50. Let's get into this fish. Oh, that batter looks fabulous. Look at that. That looks delicious. That's because it is delicious. It's juicy, and the flesh is sweet. That's crispy bit at the end. See what you think? A lot of chips going on there. Actually, let's just try these mushy peas. Let's get them open. I've never seen peas that colour before. Like algae, but thicker. Let's have a go. Let's have a little go. The peel test, look at that. No problem whatsoever. Straight in, lovely and thick. Oh, there we go. Just the surface that it had a little bit of discoloration because it had been sat there a minute, but it's still hot. Oh, they're good. They are good mushy peas. That's how I like them. Not over-seasoned. Nice and thick. I really enjoyed that. Where'd that fish go? Where'd that fish go, babe? Did I? Did I? Probably did, didn't I? By the way, we've just been given this. Well, a customer to the shop was given a full one of these. This is half of it, of one of their sausage rolls that they make in-house. I had a quick chat there, and they said, do you want half? I said, well, yeah, save me going in there. He said, yeah, well, we got it for free. It was a nice, they're doing freebies in there today. I don't know what that's all about. So look at that. That's a big sausage roll. Let's give it a try. Well, you know what? That's really nice. Right, so it's back to the computer. I'm going to look at some reviews, a low one, somewhere in the middle, a high one, and mine. And we'll see you there. What a lovely place that was. And it's not often that I get to meet the staff after a review. But once Sue had the food in her hand, she gave them a card. Too late then to get any favouritism. And they asked if they could have a little word with me afterwards. So I thought, well, why not? Let's just see how the food goes before I spin the tyres and get out of there, or stay around for a little bit. So yeah, I stuck around for a little bit. So let's have a look at these reviews. 3-star. Called in, has seen this place advertised on Facebook. Only got fish and peas to take away. Pretty average. Cost £8.50. Response from the owner. Hi Amanda. Thanks for your review. Maybe we could get a 5-star next time. If you come back to try us again. A little heart and a little smiley face. And like I say, this Chippy's rated at a 4.9. There's only a couple of little things underneath that. And yes, that's impressive. For 111 reviews. 4-star. Had fish and chips, very nice. Then went the other day to have a John Bowl. Very tasty, only problem, potato was hard in places. Would try it again though, enjoyed the mince, very nice. Response from the owner. Hi Mark, thank you for your review. 5-star. Came here after reading the 4.9 score on Google on my lunch break. Everyone was friendly, prices are fair and portion sizes are generous. I tried a battered Mars bar here and it was really tasty. I'll be back again when I'm in the area. Response from the owner. Hi Connor, many thanks for your review. Mine, 5 stars. It was fabulous. Go back in a heartbeat, but I'd get one of them giant sausage rolls next time, ideally. Probably warm as well, although I don't mind sausage rolls hot or cold, but they were really good. So 5-star. Entering this highly rated Chippy, it was instantly clear how much the owners loved what they were doing. The shop was clean and tidy, and the owners who were serving were warm, friendly, and all smiles. I ordered the Cod and Chips, which were a very generous portion. The fish was coated in a light, crispy, and tasty batter, but the fish itself stole the show. Delicious and fresh, with a lovely white, flaky texture. The chips were mainly crispy on the outside, with a fluffy centre. The mushy peas were just right, thick and not over-seasoned, leaving the pure pea taste. I love it when they make them in-house as well. You know, you can taste the difference quite often. What drew me here was the claim of the biggest John Bull in Blackburn, and it was big, for sure, and that savoury Angus beef between the potato slices was incredible. Oh, you know, you could just imagine getting stuck into a big bowl of that stuff, you know, all surrounded by that light, crispy batter. Overall, this Chippy has friendly owners who take pride in their work, and they serve great traditional chip shop fare at fantastically low prices. Cooking in, oil, payment, cash or card, hygiene rating 4, fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.